Okay, we're going to start reading our next story, Dragons and Giants, in just a moment. But before we do that, I want to do a little work on those R-controlled vowels. Remember, when we pair one of our vowels, A, E, I, O, or U, with an R, makes a difference together. What does that say? When we pair A with R, it doesn't say A-R. What does it say? It says R. Remember from our song A-R-R, okay? So, Jonathan, if I were to put the blended sound st on the front of R, what would I get? Nice job. Okay, Kenna, if I were to put the sound B on the front of R, what would I get? What does the R say? R, so not R. Bar, like a candy bar. Very good. Okay, now if I were to put Darren, ooh, are you ready for this? I'm going to put something on the end instead of the beginning, and I want to see if you can still figure out what it says, okay? If I put an M and a Y, remember Y at the end of a word says I or E, what new word do I have? Army. Army. Very good, Darren, using AR. So AR says R. What about if I have this vowel pair? Or not vowel pair, excuse me. This R-controlled vowel pair. R-controlled vowel, excuse me. What does OR say? But I didn't hear him because I was so busy getting confused with my own talking. What does OR say? Or, good job. Okay, so if OR says or, then what is this word, Kenna? For, good job. Now, if OR says or, what if I put an E on the end? Does it still say or?
Yes.
It does. Or. That E is silent and acts like it's biting the O. So if I put an E on the end and then I put our blended sound st on the front, what do I get, John?
Store.
Store. Good job. Okay, Darren, what about if I do this? Digraph. Sure, like a job that you have to do. Kenna, what if I do a different digraph? S-H. What does OR say?
Sure.
Yep, sure. Very good. Okay. Now, how about this one, ER. When E and R are together, what do they say? They say
R.
AR says R. What does ER say? Remember? ER, IR, UR. Good job, Kenna. We can use our song to help us when we get stuck. So if ER says Darren, what's that word?
Her.
Very good. Okay. If ER says get ready, Kenna. I'm going to throw in another R-controlled vowel pair on the front. Don't let me trick you. There's the OR. What word is that?
Order.
Nice job. Okay. What if I put... I've got to turn around. Sorry, my hand was getting confused writing backwards. Okay, what if I put this sight word from kindergarten on the front? What do I have now, Jonathan?
Helper.
Helper, like you are my helper today. All right, so first grade friends, as we see those R-controlled vowel pairs like ER and AR and OR and ORE today, we're going to remember what they say in our reading, okay? Now, the next story, as Jonathan told us, because I know that you were looking ahead and you were really excited, in Frog and Toad is Dragons and Giants.